As you can tell, I live in a high humidity area and this made me want to buy a filament dryer. This is the one I bought and today I will unbox it. I was unaware that I had to keep my filament dry, and on the third day I started getting very bad printing results. So this dryer is a must-have for me. I didn't know what to expect, but in the box there was only the dryer and the power cable. I recently unboxed my first 3D printer, so if you want you may go and check out that video as well. The sheet inside the dryer contains the instructions for use. On the back side there are the times and the temperatures you have to set the dryer for the different filaments. Inside you can find 2 packs of silica gel that you have to remove before using the dryer. First I will remove the protective film from the lid. The power cord should be connected on the back side next to the on-off switch. Let's connect the cable now. There is nothing interesting on the label that is glued to the bottom. On the back side of the lid you can find a small rubber cap. You can pass the end of the filament through that hole and insert it into your printer while the spool is in the dryer. Now let's put the spool inside. Make sure the spool is inserted as shown in the video if you plan to take out the end through the hole in the lid. There are 2 metal rollers on the bottom of the dryer so the spool can rotate easily. When you flick the switch, the dry box will get into standby mode. Rotate the dial with 1 click to the right. The temperature symbol will start flashing. Press the dial and rotate it to adjust the temperature according to those given in the instructional sheet. The filament inside is PLA, so I have to set the temperature to 50 degrees Celsius. Press the button once more to confirm, then rotate it to the right 2 clicks or until the time symbol starts flashing. Press the dial and set the timer according to the instructions. Press the button once again to start the dryer. The temperature inside reached 50 degrees Celsius in only 8 minutes and 30 seconds, but this may vary due to the humidity level and the room temperature. When the dryer is running, you can hear a quiet humming sound from the fan inside. It's pretty quiet. After you run the dry box for several minutes, you will be able to see the correct humidity level inside. I ran the dryer for about half an hour and then I noticed that there is some moisture on the lid. I guess I had to open the small rubber cap on the lid so the excess humidity could get out of the dryer. Of course, this is only my suggestion. I will pull out the end of the filament through the hole so it will be halfway open. After I saw that all of the excess moisture was out, I was able to turn on the printer and start using this filament again. The guys from the store where I bought my 3D printer told me that no matter what the humidity levels in your house are, it's best to take out the filament and store it in a Ziploc bag with the packets of silica gel if you're not planning to use it for a period longer than 3 or 4 days. Unfortunately, if you live in a very humid environment like me, you will need to have a dry box. That's all for today. Have a nice day and see you in my next video.